Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining my class. My name is Margaret Novalia. You may call me Miss Nova. Before we are going to start our lesson, I'm going to tell you some rules that you have to follow in my class. I hope that you can follow the rules because it will help you to improve yourself. The first one, be on time for your attendance form. Please check your Google Classroom before you're joining the meeting or before watching the material, and then fill in, and then also be on time for Google Meeting. If I share the link, I will not have Google Meeting every week, but I hope that when I share the link, maybe once in 2 weeks, uh, you please you may join it on time. Thank you. And then the next one, prepare your 2 books and 1 notebook. The 2 books here, the the Mandiri books for grade 2, and then also this one, the Bright book for grade 2. Okay, and then the next one that you have to pay attention on time for the assignment, latest submission at 5 p.m. So you have to submit all your assignment before 5 p.m. If you submit it after 5 p.m., there will be trouble with your Google Form or your assignment because we already set it until 5 p.m. Why? I suggest you to be on time, on time, on time because the evaluation is not just only your knowledge but also from your attitude, attendance, and creativity. In this academic year, I will try to make many projects so that you can improve your English in reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Thank you. And then also, I welcome for all the questions. This is my number. You may contact me, but I suggest you to contact me from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. In this learning session, in this session in English class, I will use full English. Okay, now the first lesson that we are going to study about attention and understanding. Okay, we will study about to get other information, and then to show attention, to check others' understanding, to indicate understanding. Okay, now please open your book, page 2, and we are going to listen the the audio for this.
Activity 3. Listen to the complete version of the dialogues in Activity 1. Practice them with your friend. Dialogue 1. Ella and Anna are in the classroom. Listen, I've got some news. What is it? We're going to have a maths test today. Really? Yes, Andre told me just now.
Hi, girls.
Hi, Daniel.
What were you talking about?
We're going to have a maths test today.
That's bad news. I didn't study last night.
Well, that's all right, because we may open the book. Really? Yes, Andre said it was going to be an open book test.
Glad to hear that. I'm relieved.
Yeah, me too. Dialogue 2.
Attention, please.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you the itinerary of our journey.
Hooray!
May I have your attention, please?
Shh.
Thank you. Here is the itinerary, one for each of you.
Thank you, sir.
Please pay attention to the time.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, may I ask a question?
Sure, what is
coat, sir?
Well, the weather is quite hot. Wear comfortable clothing, such as cotton t-shirts or shirts.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now you may fill in your activity 4. If you still forget about what did they say, you may listen to the audio from the video again. You may uh, check it again, and then this activity will be discussed next week. Okay, and then don't forget to do it, of course. Next, what should you know on page 3? Example, asking for attention. The example one is excuse me, or attention please, or may I have your attention please? Number 4, sorry for trouble you. And then the next one, responding to attention. If someone said excuse me, you will say sure, or yes please, or alright. For showing attention, we will usually say I see, well, or tell me more, or really, like that. Okay, and then this is what should you do on this meeting. Read and record your voice when you are reading the dialogue. The dialogue here is the activity 5, and then do activity 7 on the page given. Later you may see in your Google Classroom the assignment. Okay, I think for uh, that's all for our lesson. I will attach the other video that can help you to improve, to help you understand more about this lesson. Thank you for joining my class. God bless you.